One of the bonuses in the Gina Hills website template is the set of custom icons that are included. You'll see there's a couple here on the home page, this light green splash of color, as well as this one. These are helpful for highlighting certain text throughout your site. And in this tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through where to find them in your template, how to add them to a page, and how to make changes to them. Now that we're inside Showit, I want to show you where you can find all these icons. So there's a set of 16 icons, and if you look here to the left, you'll see the list of all the pages that are included in your template, and at the bottom, there's a page called Icons. When you click on Icons, you'll see all 16 different icons are organized on the page. Now, if you want to add these to a specific page, let's say you want to grab this one, just click into the canvas and select that icon. Now to copy it, you'll want to hit Command-C or Control-C. That will copy the icon, and then come back to your list of pages and then choose the page that you want to add it to. Let's say I want to add it to the home page. I'll click on the home page and scroll down. Let's say I want to add it here. I'll click inside that canvas, and then I'll hit Command-V or Control-V, and that's going to paste it into the canvas. Now all you need to do is to then just click and drag, and you can position this how you want. Now that we've added this to our page, let's talk about how we can make some changes to it. You'll see that it's been added here on the desktop as well as on the mobile. Let me just click on the Page tab. This will show me all the different canvases inside this page, as well as where my icon is positioned. So if I just click here, I can also move and drag this. I can grab these little corners and position it around the word, or however you want to style it. And let's say I don't want it to overlap the rest of this text. So as you can see, it's overlapping the other words. So if I want to change that, I just need to click over here inside the canvas and pull this down underneath my text like that. Now let's say I want to change the color. All I need to do is select the icon and then come over here to the right, and then you'll see the icon settings. So you'll see this is a custom icon. This is just the code that was inputted to create this design. So you don't need to mess with that, but you can come here and change the color. Now, once you customize this template for your business, you can set your own brand colors inside of the design settings, and those will be the colors that will show up here. So then you can just come and click, select a different color, and it will change the color of the icon. Now, what's nice about Showit is the ways that you can customize the mobile versus the desktop view, and you can have this in one color on the desktop and another on the mobile if you want. As I mentioned, there are already a few icons that are dispersed throughout this template. You can make changes to those as well. So if you just click on the icon, you can come over to the icon settings. Here again, you can change the color. You can grab these arrows and resize to make it bigger or smaller. You can grab it in the middle to drag it over to highlight a different text. And you can even, if you hover over the corners, you can rotate it as well. So that's a pretty cool feature inside of Showit. You can also simply hit Command-C and Command-V, like with the other templates, to copy and paste them inside of another canvas. If you decide that you don't want to use these icons or you prefer to hide them, that's also an option. So if you just click on an icon, you can hit Delete to remove it. Let me just take this one out. You can remove it, or you can also just hide it and show it on only one device. So you could hide this on the desktop, for example. If I come over here to the left, you'll see the icon is selected, and then I can click this little desktop icon to hide it. So now it's only showing on the mobile device. And finally, I just want to touch on the possibility to add your own custom icons if that's something that you're interested in doing. Let me just bring my icon back here on the desktop. So when you select an icon, and again, you can add some that are already inside the Showit library. You'll see the library over here. These are already inside of Showit, so you can grab any of these as well. And to add those, you just need to come down here and click on this middle icon. You come up and you see the option to choose an icon. But this one is already selected, so I'm just going to use it. When you come to the icon settings, you'll notice that I have selected that this is a custom icon, and you'll need to have your drawing or image in an SVG format and in one color only. So once you have that ready, if you just click on this little tutorial link, this will outline all the different steps that you'll need in order to upload and basically get that code that you need to plug in to use as a custom icon. So that's a very helpful tutorial if you would want to upload your own SVGs and create your own custom icons.